Hey YouTube, today I want to share with you a very delicious blueberry ice cream recipe, and this is an authentic and natural ice cream recipe. There is no artificial ingredients added to this, and totally healthy, very tasty, and at the same time it is best for beating this hot summer season. So you can try this at home, and it's super easy to make, and within 5 minutes you can make this. So let's get started. So here I'm taking almost 4 cups of blueberry. I'm taking frozen blueberries. You can also go for the fresh ones if you want. And then 1.5 cup of sugar and whipping cream for 73 ml and few drops of vanilla essence. And for sugar you can even increase it to 2 cups if you like more sweetness in the ice cream. And now we are going to use a ninja jar, and I have already added the blueberries to the jar, and now we are going to put the sugar, which is 1.5 cup, and you can increase this to 2 cups if you like more sweet ice cream. And then we are going to simply add the whole whipping cream, which is a fresh whipping cream, full fat, and always go for full fat, not skim one, but you can if you want to. If you have any health concerns, you can go for skimmed as well. And then we are going to add a few drops of vanilla essence, and you don't need to add too much of vanilla essence, otherwise it will spoil the taste. So just add few drops. And now we are going to grind this, and for grinding I'm going to use pulse option in the Ninja machine. And the pulse option have almost 1 minute of grinding. So depending on the level of texture, you can actually repeat the pulse you want. Like some people like very smooth ice cream, and some people like little solid pieces of blueberries in it. So depending on the kind of texture you like, or if you want to keep the chunks of the blueberries, then you can choose the number of times you want to press the pulse. So I did it twice, and I like this kind of texture in my ice cream. But you can further grind it if you want very smooth texture, or you can even freeze this for at least 2 hours and then re-grind it to make it further smooth. So it's all totally optional, but I like this kind of consistency. So I'm just simply going to pour this ice cream in the freezing jar, and I'm going to freeze it. After pouring this in the jar, I'm going to cover this with a lid or a plastic winch. It's up to you, whatever you want, you can use that. And even you can add some blue color, food color, if you want that professional blue look, but I don't like personally. So I'm simply going to freeze this, and the number of hours you freeze will affect the smoothness of the ice cream. I would recommend you to freeze this for at least 4 to 6 hours. And since I want to serve this to my family within 4 hours, so after 4 hours this is how the ice cream looks like. And I like the smoothness of the ice cream after 4 hours, but you can further freeze it for 6 hours or 8 hours, depending on the type of hardness in the ice cream you like or your family likes. So basically I like this much smooth ice cream. So this is pretty much ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and comment down below, and please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.